What's up, botany babes and botany bros? This video, I'm gonna show you how I repotted a string of pearls. And string of pearls are in the succulent family. And succulents and I just don't seem to coexist very well. I have had 3 different string of pearls and it hasn't gone well. So this new one, I was gonna attempt to kind of start over, kind of a fresh start with it. And it also hasn't gone well, which you will see at the end of the video for a propagator update. And we'll kind of learn from the mistakes and go from there. And maybe eventually I'll figure out how to keep succulents alive. Now moving on to our string of pearls. String of pearls do not have very deep roots. Their roots are very much on the surface from what I've seen. Also, when I get in there, I could be very wrong. I don't have as much experience with string of pearls. So if it doesn't have the deep roots like I'm thinking, I'm actually just gonna put it in this little soap dish because I think it would look really cute, kind of sprawling out eventually. If it does have more roots than I'm expecting, I'll probably just keep it back in the same pot and then go from there. All right, so our little string of pearls is basically done. There's just one thing that I kind of want to do, and that's get all that soil off around that ridge here. I have these really cute little toys, these little tools actually, like the mini gardener's tools. I love them. But I'm gonna use this one to kind of scrape off that. And it does it really well, actually. All right, and I think this one is ready too. All right, botany babes. So for a quick prop update on the string of pearls, it went through some trauma this week. It was sitting on an outside patio table and my dog got it. He didn't eat the string of pearls, but he knocked it off the table. And then I came home and the whole pot was upside down and the plant was kind of everywhere. So that's a little traumatic for it, but I put it back in the pot and then gave it some water and tried to kind of heal it a little bit. And then when I put it in the sun, for like 10 minutes it was in the sun and it completely sunburned. So I don't think this is gonna be a successful succulent, but here is how it looks now. Really not great. You can see that it's all white and sunburned and kind of shriveled. Not nearly as cute as when I first started. We'll try nursing this back to health. And if it dies, oh well, we'll just try again. And the propagator's succulent saga continues. My string of pearls, it's definitely dead. This did not go well. Figured out what happened though. I think when I put it in the sun, this entire tin pot got really hot and just roasted the poor thing alive. And now I just have little popcorn kernels. So sad. Well, we'll see what happens next time. Stay tuned for that.